So here's the deal. So you are a founder or a product manager. You and your team has put a lot of efforts in building a product, and now nobody's using that. And you are puzzled and you can't understand why nobody's using it. It's probably because the product vision, strategy, and the features are not aligned. So, if you're a founder or a product manager or a business analyst operating in D2C or B2B space, building products or services, you need to make sure that your vision, strategy, and features are well aligned. For this illustration, I'm going to use this tool, and this tool is essentially a AI tool. So it can generate PRDs in seconds and it can save us a lot of time. So that's why I'm going to use it. And I'm just using it for illustration. But when you are designing your products, you have to make sure that your vision is aligned with your organizational goals or objectives or your company. Your vision is essentially your North Star. It is the driving force, and your strategy should complement your vision. So, if you are looking to enter a particular space, let's take this example. So, let's say if you were creating a food recipe app, and you can, if you want, you can add more details and provide more context. I have just entered some basic information about an app which will do all these things. And this is trivial for now. What I want to highlight is that your vision is essentially driving your product, and your strategy and vision should always be in alignment with each other. And whatever use case you are trying to solve, that is essentially the extension of your vision and strategy. Because see, there are many problems in the world, and as a founder you can't solve all of them. As a product manager you can't solve all of them. And if you are working on a particular market, always go for a particular segment. A lot of founder or a product manager make the mistake of generalization. So they will say, I'm targeting every car user. So if you are operating in that space, you need to essentially find out who is that particular user, what is that particular segment. For example, it could be someone who is more into climate change or environment protection. If you look at some of these EVs, these are essentially positioning themselves as an answer to that. They might not be promoting their cars, they might be promoting environment protection or climate change. So you have to be very particular when you talk about a particular customer segment. And this is where your vision and strategy will come into the play. So if you look at this particular vision, this is essentially targeting food enthusiasts. And this is essentially providing them, or rather, you could say the vision is to provide them experience, exploration, and your strategy will essentially take it further and talk how we can achieve that vision. We can achieve that vision in this particular case by offering personalized recommendations or some customization. I'll say feel free to use this tool, and whatever use case or market or product you are targeting, it will give you similar results there. And even if you don't want to use this tool, that is all right. Just make sure that your strategy is taking your vision further. It's like slicing and dicing. So you got your vision right, you got your strategy right, then you can identify the relevant use cases or features which are going to help you target or rather implement that vision. And if you get vision, strategy, and features right, chances are you will get your product launch right. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment. And if you found this useful, please follow and subscribe. Thank you.